Oh, it's coming from the outro cutscene. There you go. Okay. Now let's run the game. I think we should be good. Yeah, man. Yeah, now it's not there. And as soon as I grab the controller, it is there. Okay. Now let's go here using mouse. You see, it's not there. As soon as I grab the controller, oh, it showed up. Good. Okay. Nice. Doom. Git add. Where are we? Fix minor UI mistakes. Nice. Okay, next. So I have no idea how to. Well, let me show you what. So I need to make a controller support for the quality dropdown in the settings, which is this thing, right? I don't know how to do that. I don't know how to tell the game, or I'm not sure how to tell it to kind of switch the focus that it has. Like I can click on it, but that's it. I'm losing the selectable or the selected item. I need to do something with that. Also, maybe this needs to be like not gray, but it needs to be brown like this, beige. So when I click on you, who is the selected object? Is it you? Is it the drop down? Is it? I don't even know. But we can test. No, we cannot test it. We need to write something for it. Don't I have a temp script? I do have a temp script. There you go. Public game object selected. Update selected equals event system current selected object. Okay. Also, we're about to have ads. During the ads, I'm just gonna go have a wee break and we'll be right back. So stay tuned. Don't go anyway. There you go. I'll be right back. Oh, we're getting errors. I'll be right back. And I'm back. Oh, I should bring more water. Water. Okay, let's plop this script on someone. Someone. Okay, let's just create an object here. Temp. I'm gonna put this here. Okay, so now let's run the game. And my really focus is to see who, what is select. What are you doing? Can you stop? The goal here is to see what is really the selected once we start this. So right now, oh, you guys can see it because of that. Oh, it works. Wait a second, it works. It isn't just not indicated properly. So what I'm looking at right now is the oh my God, this drop down, right? I need to make sure that when you're using a controller, you can see what is what's the controller is pointing at. Hey Joe, how you doing? Haven't seen you in so long. How the kids? How's the studio? How's life? We're doing some controller support. Oh, that's interesting. I broke it. Yeah. So when we go to the settings and we open this up, right now, after we do that, the game considers this as our selected item, so the one that the controller is pointing at. So we can really switch between where we are. What if I want to close it though? Just closes that. That's fine. So with the controller, I can still change like the graphics. So that's nice. It's just not visible to the player or like what is going on. So we are gonna fix it now. I'm doing well, thanks. We're moving forward. I'm getting some interviews, so here's oh nice. Let's go. Super exciting. What's the interview for? Or rather, who is it with? Not what's for, who is it with? If you can talk about it. If not, that's like obviously understandable. Okay, so this should be easy, right? I think it will be easy. Because I have a system. I said, where's my system? I have a system here that, oh, but it's only on the main menu. Is it? Well, we'll figure it out. That basically, you see this indicator? Yeah, we have that on objects. Can you not autosave? Thank you. We have that on all the UI objects. And all we need to do, a community building slick tools to help big organization with IT. And startup helping creators to make more valuable platforms for their fans. Ooh, that sounds very exciting and very interesting. I mean, you know, um, I don't know if you heard or not, but towards the summer, I'm gonna be looking for a job. So, you know, if the company needs any software engineers, this is very nice. This is very nice. Good luck with the interviews. I hope everything goes as planned. But you know, software engineer that is looking for work. Yes, I'm mostly backend, yeah. Well, no, I'm not gonna say mostly. I am backend. I want to go to front end. No, thank you. Where are you? Oh, you're masked. Hmm, that's fine. Oh, I know what we can do. We can flip you, and then we can move you here, here. So I want the pivot point here, but the object here. No, pivot here, object here, and 0, 0. Just bring it in. Just bring it in right here. That will be fine. I'll keep my house open. Thank you. Yeah, I realized that. Well, so far I've been doing full indie game dev full time for almost half a year now. I quit at the end of May, and it's been a blast. Don't get me wrong. I'm loving this, but you know, money is a problem, especially in America. Everything is about the money. So yes, and the job is Tomless. You know, we can't leave them. You know, it's not fair. So yeah, towards June of 2025, I will try to find a job. Healthcare blues. Yeah. Oh, don't get me started on insurance, health insurance. I mean, if I wasn't diabetic, I wouldn't care about health insurance. But, you know, just paying for it, it's kind of expensive. Okay, let's see if it's gonna work now. Settings. Hi. No, it's not doing it. It's not doing it. I know why. I think I know why. Because it's not enough to just add the indicator. We also need to do something else with it. I don't remember what. We need to register it somewhere. Just don't remember where. I think it was here. Yeah, it was here. Main menu, gamepad indicator. There we go. So we need to add 3 items here. Boop, boop, boop. And camera disconnected. It's free here in Australia. Um, that sounds nice, but I don't really like the. I'm not a huge fan of spiders, you know. I prefer not to have to check my shoes every time I want to put to put them on. Why is the camera not working? Take care. All right, Roger. Have a good night. Thank you for stopping by and lurking. Appreciate that. Ready not to be to return for workforce. Thank you. Thank you, Joe. I wish, but I don't think so. Like being realistic, yeah, I don't. The amount of money you need to survive in America, or at least in my area, it's it's high. I need the game to do very well if I don't want to go back to work. Where's the drop down? That's the drop down, right? Oh, I cannot do it. Shit. I cannot do it through the inspector. I have to do it programmatically. I need to do it on runtime because of stupid Unity. Hmm. Okay, let's take a look at you. Shoot for the stars. Hit the moon. I mean, yeah, let's hope for the best, but prepare for the worst, you know. Okay, let's close all of you. Close you. Put you here. So all we need to do is to put ourselves inside of this dictionary, right? What if we do a private void? Not a private, it needs to be public. Public void, add, just add. Public void remove. So we need two things in here. We need the game object, our object, and we need the indicator, which is also a game object indicator. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna say object indicators object equals indicator. That's it. And then here, what we need to do is object to indicators that remove. Does remove return C# dictionary remove. Do you throw an error if you don't have the item? Prove the element is successfully found, otherwise false. This returns false if the key is not found in the dictionary. Okay, cool. So we can say game object, and just remove the object. If it's in the dictionary, it will get removed. If it's not in the dictionary, no harm, no foul, or what? I think that's how the saying goes. Yeah, let's try that. But so this is the, all right. This is for the main menu indicator. Can you stop doing that? What is happening with the in-game indicator? Who's responsible for that? I don't even know how to check this. Let's find reference. That's not what I want. Who's responsible for you? I know how to test it. We need Oh, you see, the settings canvas has its own indicator manager. Amazing. It's great. Awesome. Cool. Then it's even easier. All we need to do is to create this little script. Yeah, all we need to do is to create this little script. So menu. God damn it, stop it. Quality option. Quality option, whatever. It's good enough. Grab this. We're gonna give it a main menu thingy. I'm gonna do that, remove the underscore, then do start. We also need the reference to the indicator. gamepad indicator that add the not this game object stop game object indicator. We don't really need to do the on destroy, to be honest, but yeah, we don't need it. We don't need it. That's all we need. And now we go into here. We find we disable the autosave for a second. We enable this. We find this. And here to this guy gets a quality option. And we need to put this, and then we need to reference this. That's it. Clap. Save. Go back. Sure save. I think now it's gonna work. It's gonna work. Why wouldn't it? You know, we gave it everything it needs. So just grab the controller, sit back. Okay, almost. So you can see the indicator. I don't like it. It's stupid. Let's come up with some better solution. Well, the indicator itself. Also, there's a problem that when we open the thing, it's not automatically showing the indicator. So what we can do, what can we do? Oh, first of all, on enable, if event system that current selected game object, if that thing is equals to self, then we want the indicator to show. That's one. Second of all, let's change the indicator because it's shit. Oh, actually this needs to be changed. Just grab this, do poop, and then do game object set active this. There you go. But before we save, let's play with this around. So come back. You see selected color. We can change that. I don't know if it's, yeah, let's change that. There you go. I think now it should be better. Save, out, run game. And yes, so this process of making UI and a UI supported by a controller is taking me so long. Oh, my dad called me. 1 second. Okay, just let it. Okay. So you see, if we take this and we change the selected color. Can you open up? There you go. Yeah. So instead of having this indicator, can you stop? I'm trying to work on you. Mhm. Okay, indicator is still there. No, can you? God damn it! But the selected color is not doing it. Oh, because you don't have an image. Oh, we don't have a background for you. What if we're doing the label? Are you gonna work? It's not doing shit. Of course, it's not doing anything. Because I need to do it on the template, not on these guys. Yeah, the way the dropdown works in Unity is it's a bit stupid. I don't understand why they decided to do that. Who's that? Sundown. Welcome in. Thank you for the follow. Oh, yeah, you see, now it's doing something. You just need to change the color a bit. Well, at least now we know what we're selecting. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Sundown. Your name sounds so familiar. Can't remember where from. Oh, yeah. My dad is texting me. Okay. So what? Oh, also, I want to change maybe the color of this because this is like grayish and everything else is brown and beige, so it doesn't match really, and it doesn't make sense that this is beige and then this is like gray. So maybe we can maybe we can do something about it. So we can we can make it a brown, right? But that's just too much. We can make it beige, like this, right? And then the color of the text needs to be 333333. You see, Vin? You see that? I'm not using black. I'm using 333333. It's it's like black, but not really. Let me show you the difference. I've read many articles for designers saying that you should never use for your UI, you should never use true black and true whites. So for example, this is true black, like this is 0000. And it's suggested to use for UI something more like uh, something a bit lighter. So something like, that's not it. Like something like that, for example. So it's grayish. 2233. Yep. So this is For text 2, yes, for text 2, yeah. Let's see, how does 222?